on Native Americans. We did our unit on Native Americans. And we are going on an adventure today. We're going to be dividing up into 4 Native American tribes. And then for our initiating activity, we would be having the groups choose a Native American name that they would be using throughout the unit. And there's a website that they would go to find their names, and they would choose a name that would kind of go along with their personality, or maybe something that they're interested in, and they would choose it from the website that we have listed. I think what we're going to do now is divide you up into groups, and we have 4 activities today that we would like to get started on. One will be, you will be making a Native American house, and today we're going to be doing teepees. Now, you wouldn't necessarily during the unit be making a teepee. It would depend on what tribe you're in. Like, you wouldn't do a teepee if you were, if your tribe had lived in a hogan, so you would be making a hogan, but for our purposes today, we're just making teepees. Also, one activity is going to be, you're going to be making a Native American story using pictures, and Sharon will be explaining how that is done, and then we will be making clay pots, and our last one will be, you will be on a computer doing a scavenger hunt. You're all receiving a feather, and that is going to determine what tribe you are going to be in. So if you have a yellow feather, you are going to be in the Navajo tribe. If you have a blue feather, you will be in the Pueblo tribe.
Oh yeah.
If you have a green feather, you will be in the Cherokee tribe. And if you have a red feather, you are in the Sioux tribe. All right, so this is what I would like you to do. If you have a green feather, I would like you over at this table with the clay. Over at this table, let's have the yellow feathers. At this table, the red feathers. And the computers get the blue feathers. Where? Where? Computers.
Indians didn't use words, they use pictures. So you are going to be writing your story either as a Native American, which you have directions for us to go over. You can either write a story as being a Native American, or you can write your own story about something that you've done in your life. And I also have Indian symbols of meanings to help get you started on what you can draw. Oh, she just has to sit down to you. And so here I just kind of do an example. You should be able to see this on your sheet.
Yeah, it's definitely on it.
Designs on so you can take your clay, and to make your pot, you're first going to make coils. Snake. Bless you. We can join their group. So you'll make little coils. Yeah, little pieces. Except what age is this? And after you get several coils done, you're going to take another piece and you're going to make like a flat bottom to it. Oh yeah. So you'll make the bottom, and then you'll take the coils and you'll kind of wrap it around until you get it to the height that you want. How many do you think? Yeah. You guys set it however you want it. If you only want 3, 4, oh, and
Maybe we should make two together and then two.
We'd make a TV like that.
What's going on here?
Like give me 3 sticks. I'll show you an easy way. I guess what is he really a TV? Like, hold on. Like, let me see the rubber band. And then we like that. Like have 2 right here, and then have 2 more in the middle, and then 2 on the other end. And then you can think about it. Go ahead, construct the TV. Can we have some more rubber bands? We need to make our TV. And then
Bam, look at that.
There you go. Now you have a choice between you can either make a traditional, just like brown as like your skin,
okay.
deer skin, or you can be really creative and do a brown and poster board. You can go.
I'm guessing pink. You don't want a pink teepee?
It's whatever colors you want.
We want hot pink.
Oh, now she gets hot pink.
Hey, it's my favorite color. You want hot pink?
Yeah, I want hot pink.
There you go. You want high pink? You can get the hot pink.
Or do you think this will work?
What color do you want to make?
It doesn't matter.
We have the computer, so let's sit over at the computer.
Oh, you were doing work by yourself? Maybe that's not a TV, huh? Okay, maybe we need to
Those red berries off our bushes. We make all different like full colors.
Do you want me to keep going?
So I've seen a few out.
I took a bit.
Okay. That's fine.
I don't want to screw up our TV. How are we going to create this?
Hey, look at there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I know, isn't that funny?
That's cool.
I think different tribes had different ways of drawing their pictures.
That's not a TV.
I like the butterfly thing. Why wouldn't they just draw a butterfly?
It's like part of the day.
We gotta make it distinct.
Yeah. Now it's a triangle, honey. Or no, it's a diamond.
Yeah.
And then it's a triangle. So draw the abstract. Draw the big triangle and then the little diamonds.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, the markers definitely work better than the green.
I noticed.
Yeah. Now I know.
You need to go back to preschool.
I do.
That was difficult, wasn't it? Just look, it's like a look, it's a diamond, and then look, it's a little half wall,
Which one are you guys drawing?
and then
Oh,
it's
the
like
butterfly
up,
thing?
up, down,
Yeah, I draw a butterfly.
and
It's
then
just like
it's
4 different triangles.
up, down, and then these ones here are just that here.
Everlasting life.
You thief. Thief, you're in a different tribe too. Get my tomahawk out.
Use a claw.
You could even try using the paper towel.
Okay, let's try the paper towel. It looked more, more authentic.
Haley's got a what thing?
I probably would have
Working on? I am. We're trying to deal with that. That's.
Are you like daddy's little girl or what? Something?
Am I daddy's little girl? Yeah. No, I'm the youngest. Just I mean, I'm daddy's. What does that mean? She's video recording us. You just asked me that. Can you please delete this? Come on. No, I'm really embarrassed. That's lovely. Come on.
You got a feather in your hair.